Think about your favorite foods, the ones you can't imagine life without. Pizza, chocolate, potatoes, tomatoes. They're everywhere now, shaping cuisines, cultures, and memories. But what if I told you these staples came dangerously close to never becoming part of our lives? Take the tomato, for example. Today, it's the star of Italian cuisine, found in everything from pasta to pizza. Yet, for centuries, Europeans believed it was poisonous. When the tomato first arrived from the Americas, it was labeled the wolf peach, feared to bring sickness or even death. It took bold, curious chefs, and a lot of risk-taking, to prove it wasn't a dangerous fruit, but one of the most versatile ingredients the world has ever known. And chocolate? It wasn't always the sweet treat we know today. When cacao was first cultivated by the ancient Maya, it was reserved for rituals and royalty, served as a bitter drink. Later, Spanish colonists nearly erased its cultural significance, transforming it into a luxury commodity. Imagine if cacao had never crossed the Atlantic, if it had been forgotten along with the empires that first cultivated it. The world would have missed out on one of its most beloved flavors. Now let's talk about potatoes. Once considered food fit only for livestock, potatoes faced rejection in Europe for decades after they were introduced. Farmers were suspicious of this strange tuber from the Andes, claiming it caused diseases or was cursed. It took a French agronomist planting potato fields and guarding them with armed guards to create demand. Yes, the simple potato, a cornerstone of modern diets, had to be marketed like a high-stakes treasure to gain acceptance. And let's not forget the banana, one of the most consumed fruits in the world. Its survival wasn't just about taste but about biology. Did you know every banana we eat today is a clone? The Cavendish banana, our go-to variety, only exists because the original favorite, the Gros Michel, was wiped out by a fungal plague in the 20th century. Without careful cultivation, even this ubiquitous fruit could disappear overnight. These foods, the ones we think of as eternal, are anything but guaranteed. Wars, superstitions, bad marketing, and even nature itself have nearly erased them from our plates. And it begs a bigger question: how many incredible foods have we lost along the way? The next time you bite into a slice of pizza or savor a piece of chocolate, remember, these foods almost never made it into our lives. What else is out there, hidden or forgotten, waiting to be rediscovered?